Let's go deeper. Last time, I talked about being a high-maintenance woman, mentally, physically, and emotionally. But today, we're going where it all begins, your spirit. Because you can have glowing skin and a great fitness routine, but if your soul is dry, sis, you're just a pretty shell. And that's not who you were created to be. Being spiritually high maintenance means tending to your inner self like it's your most prized possession, because it is. You don't just pray or seek clarity when things go wrong. You do it to stay aligned, to stay strong, and to hear the voice of God within you, the divine spark that empowers you to thrive, not just survive. Here's where it gets controversial. Society will tell you that spirituality is just a vibe, that good energy is enough. But let's be real. You can't sprinkle a little good vibes only on your life and expect it to withstand the storms. A truly high-maintenance woman anchors herself in divine wisdom because she knows the world can't give her the peace and direction she needs. That divine peace? It comes from recognizing and nurturing the presence of God within. And let's not forget, a spiritually high-maintenance woman isn't swayed by every trend or empty philosophy. She's discerning. She listens to her intuition, stays grounded, and moves with clarity. When the world says, follow your heart, she knows to follow truth instead. And in doing so, she embodies divine wisdom. Now, some people will say, but isn't high maintenance about self-care? Yes, but self-care without spiritual care is just self-indulgence. True self-care starts with tuning into the divine within and letting that guide your path. That's where real peace and power come from. And let's talk about relationships for a second. Because a spiritually high-maintenance woman doesn't just accept any person who comes her way. She's discerning. She seeks relationships that uplift her spirit, not drain it. And when she aligns with the God within, she attracts alignment in her relationships too. But here's the kicker. Being spiritually high-maintenance isn't easy. It's not trendy, it's not glamorous. It's waking up early to reflect when your flesh wants to sleep. It's choosing peace when chaos feels justified. It's walking away from toxic environments because you know your energy is priceless. And that's exactly why it's powerful. The world wants you to be spiritually lazy, because a spiritually lazy woman is easy to manipulate. But a high-maintenance woman? She's dangerous. She's grounded. She's connected to a power source that never runs dry, and that's what makes her unstoppable. She taps into the divine within and moves through life with unwavering strength. So, to every woman out there fighting to maintain her spiritual glow, keep going. Be unapologetically high maintenance in your spiritual journey. Set your inner standards so high that only those who truly respect you can meet them. And remember, your maintenance isn't just for you. It's a reflection of the divine light within you. High maintenance isn't just a lifestyle, it's a spiritual calling. So, are you ready to answer it? Let's talk in the comments.